Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to General, then Date and Time. This gets you to the control panel. You need an internet connection for automatic updates, so make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is on. If you plan to set time manually, turn off Set Automatically now, otherwise leave it enabled to sync with your network and time zone. Once done, review time zone and 24-hour time options so the next steps change exactly what you want. With Set Automatically off, you can edit both the time and time zone directly. This is useful when traveling or testing. Tap Time Zone, type a city or region, and select the matching zone so calendar events line up. Then use the hour and minute picker to set the exact time. Press Done when it matches. Make sure 24-hour time is set the way you prefer so displayed times match your habits. Once saved, your iPad uses that manual value immediately. After making changes, verify by exiting settings and checking the lock screen clock and calendar entries. They should reflect the new time. If you want network-accurate time, re-enable Set Automatically and allow a minute to resync with your carrier or NTP servers. If changes don't stick, restart the iPad. That often resolves preference or daemon glitches. If issues continue, check time zone restrictions, update iOS, or contact your carrier or Apple support for network or certificate problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.